has unveiled the first official images of the upcoming G-Class Cabriolet. The arrival of the Cabriolet counterpart comes a decade after the previous version was discontinued. When the launch date has not been announced, the car maker has begun testing it in Austria. Expected to arrive in AMG guise with 585 bhp twin-cylinder V8 engine. The open-top version has been long part of the G-Class portfolio. The first was the two-door short wheelbase model introduced in 1979 and was in production till 2013. In 2017, it came back as a Maybach G50 Land Rover, a four-door SUV powered by 630 bhp six-cylinder V12 engine. The G-Class Cabriolet images are partially camouflaged. The main distinction between the main and standard G-Class is the upper rearmost section has been chopped off to make way for a powered foldable roof. The exposed booth is used up by motorized roof when folded. The design is very similar to the standard model, including circular LED headlamp, wheeled flare arches, side step, dual exhaust at the side, and alloy wheels, which is 22 inches in size. Despite changes to accommodate the foldable roof, it continues to have a tail-mounted spare wheel. The interior has not been revealed, but it is expected to feature cabin layout and design similar to the standard model, offering a wide range of customization options. The regular D-Class comes with dual screen setup with a digital driver display, infotainment system, dash-mounted grab handle, and turbine designed for air conditioning vents. The convertible is expected to arrive with an additional switchgear to control the foldable roof. While powertrain details has not been confirmed, AMG branded license plate suggests it will arrive in the G63 avatar. For reference, the standard G63 AMG has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 petrol engine with 48V mild hybrid assistant making 585 bhp power, which does 0 to 104.6 seconds and a top speed of 220 kilometers. It's highly unlikely it will come in India, as it will be much pricier than the standard G-Class.